Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Exp22 What Chapter 3 Cumulative Assessments Academic. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So project description is the an exclusive assistants and working is the admission office at the Condor State University. You are involved the research project and exploring the between students. GPA is the involvements and the scholarly activities is the words and you added the format report preparing for the final summation. We move to the project main project step. So step number one is the step number one is a start a Word, download and open the file name Exp22 Word Chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Academics. The reader has automatically added the last name to the beginning of the file name. We move to the Word file. I have already downloaded the Word file. So question number one is complete. We can move to the question number two. So question number two is a click or move the insertion point before the blank paragraph marks at the top of page 2 and using the Century School Books font is 20 point size and type the Corner State University and press enter, change the font size is 60 and type the comparison of student GPA and environments colleges to association. So click or move the insertion point before the blank paragraph marks of the two pages. Go to the page 2 and click the insertion points and using the Century School Books of the font size is 20 is type the Corner State University. So copy the Corner State University and paste the Corner State University and using the Century School Book font size is 20 font size. Apply the Century School Book font size. Go to the home tabs and go to the font groups. Click the font is Century School Books. Apply the font size and font size is 20. The font size is 20 pt and press the enter and change the font size is 60. Comparison of the student GPA and involvements in the college association. So press enter and change the font size is 60 to the comparison of the student GPA and involvement in the college association. And do not type the periods. Copy the title and paste the title is comparison of student GPA involvements in the college association and font size is to 16. Apply the font size is to 16. Go to the home tab and go to the font size is to 16 and press enter and check the document for the spelling is the grammatical error all the names table are correct and check the spelling. Go to the review tabs and go to the proofing group, click the spelling and grammar. click a group overall, and so correct the all the spelling and added the score is to 100 is the good spelling. Checking the spelling is all we done, and all the name of the table is correct. So question number 2 is a complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is a apply the align center alignment to the first row in the table. Click or move the insertion point after the last entry in the last row ending 115 and press a tab. Type the following data, tabbing between the all entries except the last, and leave the cell blank that are marked with the dashes, and do not type the dash in the cell. Do not press tab, and after that is the last item. Apply the align center alignments the first row of the table, and click or move to the insertion point after the last entry last ending the 115 row. So apply the alignment centers of the first row. Go to the layout tab and click the aligns is to align center. Sorry, go to the home tab and click the center, and add the new data is the click the move or insertion points is following the data typing between the all entry except the last, and leave the cells blank that are marked with the dashes. So add the new data, press enter, sorry, press a tab, and put the new data. So copy the value and paste the value, and next is the copy the array and paste the array, and next is the accounting, copy the accounting and paste the accounting, and copy the value and paste the value, and last is 101, copy the value and paste the value. So first step is okay, and the second is the second add the data, copy the value and paste the new value, press tab, and next is the shock name is the Maria, copy the name and paste the name, and next is type to yes, and type the next is yes, and CIS, copy the and paste the CIS, And next is 4.00 and 97. Copy the value and paste the value. And last is 97. So add the value. Question number 3 is a complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is a right click any name identifier as the misspells and format the shortcut menu. Select the ignore all and sort the table by major in the ascending order and then by the name is the ascending order and then result the name in the each is major or into ascending order. So select the table and go to the seating order, click the source and then by a name is the ascending order, text is the ascending order and misspell from the shortcut and select the ignorers and select the so you sort the table by the major is the ascending order and then by name is the ascending order by a major sort by a major by the ascending order and second is the name by the ascending order. So the major is the ascending order and then by the name is the ascending order. So the result is the name is sorted with the each all in the ascending order. So click OK. So the question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is a indicate that the Michael J. Simpson and interview Smash Sams are both active in the delta. Move delta by the typing is yes. In the delta, mu is delta column for the each of those students. So indicate the Michael J. So indicate the Michael J. Find the Michael J. So select the Michael J. And is the SAMS both active delta move is delta by the typing yes. So move is to delta move to the delta move delta is to yes type the yes and next is a yes and delta move delta is column to yes and J Michael and Samson is the and interview select the Sam's is interview is to type the yes press enter sorry type a yes so question number 5 is a complete Samson and interview Sam's and interview is to yes. So question number 5 is a complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is a insert the row above the first row in the table and merge the cells in the newly inserted row and change the font size to comparison of GPA student enrollments. Insert the new row above the first row of the table. So insert the new row of the above the table. Insert the row above the first row. Insert a row above the first row in the table and merge cell is the newly inserted row. Insert the above row. Insert the above row in the table. Merge and cell is the newly inserted row. So apply the merge cell. Merge cell and merge cell newly inserted row and change the font size to 16 is the type the comparison of the GPA student enrollments and do not type the period. So copy the title and paste the title and font size is to 16. Go to the home tabs and 16 and apply the my cell. So question number 6 is a complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is a shade the first row is the goals, and force is the row 1 column 8 and select the alt text third row through the end of the table beginning with the value and ending with the 98. The table may is the spans 2 pages and bold the section. So select the first row is the gold, Asian 4 is the row 1 column 8. So select the first row and apply the first row gold Asian 4. Go to the table design and click the shade is the gold Asian 4 is the shading colors and select the alt text in the third row through the end of the tables and beginning with the value and ending with the 98. The so select the alt text in the third row through ending table is the ending with the 98. The table may span 2 pages, bold the section. So select the alt table and apply the bold. Apply the go to the home tab and click the bold. So question number 7 is a complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is a select the entire table and select the paint color of the gold SN4 and line weight is the 1 divided by 2 and ensure the single lines border is a show and apply the selection to the all border. Select the pen color of gold SN4. So go to the table design and click the pen color is the gold SN4 Press the gold is in 4 and line weight is the 1 over 1 divided by 2. So weight is the 1 over 1 divided by 2 pt, and ensure that the single line border is shown and apply the selection to all border. Apply the single line borders, single line border, and border is the apply the selection all border. So click the border arrow and apply the all border. So question number 8 is a complete. We can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is a insert the row below the last row in the table and type the average in the first cells on the new row and press the tab 6 times to reach the CSU. Come and GPA column include the formula that the average all value in the column above. So insert the row below is the last row in the table. Insert the new row below is the last row. Insert the new row in the below and the last row in the table and type the average in the first cell in the new row and press the tab 6 times is to reach the CSU and come GPA column. So type the average, type the average and press the tab 6 times CSU column and include the formula average all value in the column above. So select the formula and to type the average. So click OK. So the result is 126.58. Question number 9 is complete. We can move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is a question number 10 is a view the document in the multiple pages, noting that the table and separate the between two pages return the view is the 100%. Select the first two row, click on navigates to the table layout tabs and select the option to repeat the head arrow. So view the document on the multiple pages and table the split between two pages. Return the view of the 100%. Select the first row to and click the navigates table to the repeats header row. So go to the view tab and multiple pages. Select the multiple pages and next is the select the multiple pages table the split between two pages and return the view is the 100%. And click the 100% view pages and select the first row, click or navigates to the table layouts and select the option is to repeat head arrow. So select the two row and repeat the header. Go to the table layouts tab and click the repeat header row. So question number 10 is a complete. We can move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is a insert the row between the following is the division and David stamp. Click or move to insertion points to the first cell of the new row and type the following records typing between the cell and do not type the dash in the cell leaves this cell blanks. So insert the new row with the Davids. So select the David stamp, David stamp and click the move or insertion point in the first row, new row. So insert the above the new row, above the new row and add the new record is to copy the value and paste the empty row. Next is copy the name John Lacy and paste the name. Next is yes and again type the yes. Type the yes and computer science. So select the type the computer science and 3.89. Next is 3.89. Last is 130. So question number 11 is a complete. So if you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email.